In this video, you are going to learn how to find the mean, median, mode, and range of a set of data. So the first thing you always want to do is put the numbers in counting order. If you do not do that, you will not get the correct answers for a few problems. So you need to make sure you put it in counting order. So let's start. We have a 3 and a 3. I have a 4. I have a 5 and I have another 5. I have a 6 and I have a 9. And let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. You should always cross them off as you rewrite them, just like I did, because I promise you, you'll probably miss one if you're going too fast. Alright, so let's start with mean. Mean is your average. You add together and divide by the total number of numbers there. So let's add them together. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 4 is 10, plus 5 is 15, plus 5 is 20, plus 6 is 26, plus 9 is 35. Okay, so those 7 numbers add together to equal 35. The total number we have, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 35 divided by 7 is 5. So my mean, or my average, is 5. My median is my middle number. Median is the thing in the middle of the road so you don't drive to the other side of the road. And I know you're too young to drive, but you've probably been in a car and you've seen a median. It's the middle. So we're going to find the middle number. How we're going to do that is we're going to cover up each end until we find the middle sitting all by itself, which is 5. So 5 is my median. My mode is my number used most often. So I see I have 2 3s here. There's only 1 4. I have 2 5s. I have a 6 and a 9. So I have 2 modes here. I have a 3 and I have 5. So you would write 3 and 5. Your range is your highest minus your lowest number. So here my highest number is 9 and my lowest number is 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. Alright, let's try the next one together too. So first thing, put it in counting order. 3, 4, 4, because I have 2 4s. 6 comes next. 8 and 8. We double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Now my mean, we add them all up and divide by the total number. So 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 4 is 11, plus 6 is 17, 25, 33. Now let me just double check with my calculator. Yep, so I have total 33. And then the total number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I divide by 6. And it's okay to get a fraction, and here I got 5.5 as my mean. My median is my middle number. So I cover, I covered everything and nothing's left. So I move back 1 and I see I have 4 and 6. When you have an even set of numbers and something like this happens, you add those 2 numbers together and divide by the total number, which is 2. So 4 plus 6 is 10. And I divide by 2, which is 5. So my median is 5. My mode is the number used most often. I only have 1 3, I have 2 4s, I have 1 6, I have 2 8s. So again in this problem, I have 2 modes. Range is your highest minus your lowest. Highest number is 8, lowest number is 3, leaving my range as 5. Alright, the next one for some reason went to 2 pages, so let me rewrite my numbers. I'll put them in counting order on the top here. So 0, 2, 5, 7, and 8. Okay, so our mean, we add them all up. 0 plus 2 is 2, plus 5 is 7, 14, 22. divided by the total number. There's 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 22 divided by 5 is 4.4. So my mean or my average is 4.4. My median is my middle number. Cover, cover, 5 sits in the middle. My mode is my number used most often. There's only 1 0, 1 2, 1 5, 1 7, and 1 8. There isn't a mode. There isn't a number used more than once here. So if that happens, you have to write none. You can't write 0. 0 is a number here. So you have to make sure if there is not a mode, you write none. Your range is your highest minus your lowest. 8 minus 0 is just 8. Go ahead and try this last one by yourself. You can pause the video. I'm going to work through it, and then you can unpause it when you're ready to see if you get the same answers as me. First thing I want to do is write them in counting order. And again, let me double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I want to cross off. I should have done that because now I'm worried I missed something. Nope, I'm good. My mean is add them all up and divide by the total. 1 plus 3. I get 40. Divide by the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Gets me 5.71. I'm just going to leave it as 2 decimal places. My median is my middle number. Cover, 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 leaving 6. My mode is my number used most often. The only one that is used twice is 9. My range is my highest minus my lowest. 9 minus 1 is 8. Alright, let me know if you have any questions.